Hello everyone and welcome back to the Perfect French with Dylane. Today it's gonna be a really quick lesson of vocabulary because we are gonna learn the days in the month. There's not much to say about it, so it's probably going to be a 4 or 5 minute videos, I don't know. Even though it's a short lesson, don't forget to grab the PDF on my website theperfectfrench.com so you can review and study whenever you feel like you need to. First, the days of the week. Les jours de la semaine. Les jours de la semaine. So we have lundi, lundi, mardi, mardi, mercredi, mercredi, jeudi, jeudi, vendredi, vendredi, samedi, so we don't pronounce the E, we kind of skip the E. Samedi, samedi. We don't say samedi, samedi, samedi. And then dimanche, dimanche. The days of the week are always masculine. So for example, we say le lundi, on Monday, le lundi. Le lundi, je joue au football. Le lundi, je joue au football. On Monday, I play soccer. If you want to say today, it's Wednesday, you're going to say aujourd'hui, c'est mercredi. Aujourd'hui, c'est mercredi. So we use c'est, it's. Aujourd'hui, c'est mercredi. So if you want to talk about any days between Monday and Friday, so entre lundi et vendredi, we say un jour de la semaine, a day of the week. Un jour de la semaine. Otherwise for us, the end of the week is also the weekend, le weekend. We pronounce it exactly the same way as in English. There's just a small difference with the writing, the spelling, because we have a dash between week and end. Now the month. Les mois. Les mois. We don't pronounce the S. So we have janvier, janvier. So I-E-R-I-E, I-E, janvier. Février, février. Mars, mars. Avril, avril. Mai, mai. So here the end of the word mai is exactly the same sound as janvier. So ER ou AI make the same sound in French. Mai. Then we have juin, juin. It's a bit more nasal. Juin. Juillet, juillet. So remember, when there's a double L, we don't pronounce the double L. We don't say juillet. We pronounce it like a long E. Juillet, juillet. Okay. Août, août. And that's one of the words that we do not pronounce like the other one because technically we should not pronounce the T at the end, but we do pronounce it. Août, août. Septembre, septembre. Octobre, octobre. Novembre, novembre. Décembre, décembre. So most of them are really similar to English. So it's really easy usually for English speaker to learn the month in French because they are really similar. Even the last one, it's only the two last letters that change. Really easy. There is a small catch between English and French for both of them, the days and the month. We do not write them with a capital at the beginning of the word like you do. For us, it's just a regular word. And the same thing for the month, as for the days, they're also masculine. But we don't really use them as masculine name. We're not going to say le novembre, the November, but we say le mois de novembre, the month of November. And if you want to say in December, for example, we say en décembre. En décembre. It's turning a bit more into grammar when we start to look into that. That's why I didn't want it to push this lesson too far. I'm going to make another lesson for like grammar on Monday about how to use them and more with date, how to pronounce date in French, probably with time as well, because time is a big thing. You know, we have the 24-hour clock, so you're probably going to see that as well, and that will be all in one lesson. On Monday we saw how to conjugate IR verbs, so the second group of verbs in French present tense. Tomorrow, Thursday, we're gonna learn how to wish something in French, and especially 15 ways to wish something with the word good. So, for example, happy birthday, happy new year, we're gonna see 15 of them, which is really useful for everyday conversation. I hope you enjoyed, I hope you learned something today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video if you liked it, leave me a comment if you have a question about French, about anything. You can connect with me on my Facebook page, my Instagram, this YouTube channel. I try to answer all the comments I get. And I will see you soon for another lesson.